Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. MakeupShayla here. Sorry about the intro, it got deleted from my camera for some odd reason, but today I'm coming to you with a recreation of MakeupShayla's look that she did on her channel using the ABH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. And right now I am using, in my crease, I'm using the color Hippie.
Even if it's in my dreams,
making sure that I apply that very evenly in my crease. And now I am going into my eye, just right under my crease, or just right under Hippie, with the color right next to it, and it is the color Dippy. Now I'm just making sure that I go back into the color Hippie because it got washed out a little bit, so it is okay to go back and forth between colors just to make sure that they have that gradient effect. Now I'm using the color Swag, and that is right up, just right below the color Hippie. And with that color, I'm just making sure that I tap it on first and then go in circular motions to make sure it is dispersed evenly throughout my eye. She used a black color from the Huda Beauty, one of her palettes, and I don't have her palette, so I went into my Lorac Pro Palette and used the black that is in that palette, and the color is called Black. Sorry.
Even if it's in my dreams,
Now I'm just going I'm going onto my lid with the color Ultimate. Now I know Shayla used an eye jewels, one of the eye jewels from the ABH Cosmetics line, and I don't have that, or I don't have those, and I think they just posted on their website those eye jewels for sale, but what I did was wet my brush a little bit and then went into the Ultimate color and then applied it on top of my lid so that it popped more. going in with Euphoria in the inner third of the eye. Now I just took a small brush and made sure I blended out those edges between those two colors, and went in between Ultimate and Euphoria just to make sure that they transitioned smoothly. Now I'm just gonna pop on a liner. I am not good with liner, and MakeupShayla, Shayla did not do a whole wing liner. She just did, I think, all the way until maybe the center of her eye. So that's what I'm doing here.
I was walking down the street the other day, trying to distract myself.
Now I'm just going into my primer. I am using the YSL primer for all over my face. And then I had a sample of the Bobbi Brown foundation, the nude foundation, which I love, and I need to purchase the bigger bottle because that is a very good foundation. And then I'm gonna mix that with my Maybelline Superstay full coverage foundation in the shade Truffle. I'm just going in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep to highlight.
I'm trying not to give it to you. No, not to give it to you. With my feelings on fire, 'cause I'm a bad liar. Reality, actuality, unreality. Oh, baby, let's make. Oh, I'm trying. Oh, I'm trying not to think of you.
And to contour, I'm just using my ABH contour kit in Deep. Now I've already set my under eyes using the black Radiance loose setting powder. I don't think that it has a name, it's just the translucent powder, and I'm going up under my eyes with the same colors that I used on top, which is Hippie and Dippy.
Trying to distract myself, but then I see your face. So wait, that's someone else. So I'm trying to play it coy, trying to make it disappear. But just like the battle cry, there's nothing settled here. In your room there's a king size space, bigger than it used to be. If you want, you can rent that place. Call me an amenity. Even if it's in my dreams. I'm trying not to think of
for liner, I am using the NYX Azure waterproof eyeliner. Now I believe Shayla used one from Urban Decay. I'm not sure what color that was, but this is as close as I could get. Now I'm just going to set that liner with the same black eyeshadow that I put in on my outer V. Use my powder to wipe that black off from under my eye, and it didn't work. And so I just, once I removed the powder from my face and added my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Deep, or Dark Deep is what I think it's called, I just went in with my beauty blender, and the side that had the foundation on it is the side that I used to fix that mistake. And now I am, to set my contour, I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Mahogany. Alright, so here's the finished look. I just added some lashes and some lower bottom mascara. And yeah, this is the finished look.